You're kidding me.
What? We just give it a wave. Vanishes.
And now I have to do it.
Now you have to do it. What's up, everybody? My name is Kyle Marlett. I'm a magician. Today we're at the Palm Coffee Bar, which is a delicious coffee bar here in Burbank, California.
That was magical.
Was it
Yeah.
Hi, what's going on? What's your name?
Joe.
Kyle, nice to meet you. So I have some of your coffee sticks. Grab one, anyone you want, doesn't matter. I have a marker here. I want you to, right here at the end, write your name, draw something that you know is yours.
Okay.
XOXO, aw, so sweet. Watch. We're gonna take your stir stick.
Okay.
We just give it a wave. Vanishes. What's cool, like it's not here, and it's not on the other side. Right, so it's not on either side.
Okay.
Look, if we just give it a wave, see, you can make it appear. Dope, right?
And now I have to do it.
Now you have to do it.
Okay.
You wanna learn?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you.
All right.
If you own a coffee shop, you should do, with stir
Wow.
sticks. So these are normal stir sticks. Have someone write something on it. It works like this. All you're doing is turning over the stick.
Yeah.
Just by rotating in your thumb, right? So you're just rotating it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But it happens when you cover up the stick. Then if you want to show the same object on both sides, or you want to show it empty on both sides, you're gonna turn it as you go up, and turn it as you come back down.
What? You make it look so easy.
I promise it's easy.
Alright,
Okay, so
okay,
you try. You want to hold the stick like that.
Okay.
Okay, between your fingers and thumb.
So like that.
Yeah. So you're gonna wave your. Wave, and when the ink is covered, turn it. It's all in the thumb. There you go. That was great. Do it again. Do it again. Let me see it. Ready?
Wait.
There you go. Perfect. That was perfect. I think you're ready. Are you ready? Let's do it. We're gonna go do it. Come on. Joe. This is your big debut. We got your friend, what's your name?
Richard.
Richard. All right, go for it.
Pick a stick, any stick.
Got it?
All right. If you wouldn't mind, draw a little something
Near
that's
the edge.
identifiable near the edge
Got it.
of the stick.
Okay.
Is that a triangle?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
ahead.
if you don't mind,
Sure.
I'll take that guy for you. You've actually written it on one side. I can show you that it's actually not there anymore.
Yeah. Spectacular.
And then what? Think really hard about your triangle. I'm gonna
Okay,
make it come
and
back.
it's back.
This is our first time. Give her.
No, absolutely. Yeah.
Joe, you somewhat crushed it. Maybe you stick to coffee shopping. I don't know. But thank you for letting us use the Palm Coffee Bar, your coffee bar. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Can we go get some coffee?
I can do that.
Anyone can magic, but anyone can also get coffee.